The goal for this video is to be able to identify and describe patterns in shapes. So if we look at this pattern down here, we've got the first thing in the sequence is just a square, single square, and then we've got 2 squares and then 3 squares, etc. and so forth. What we want to be able to do is go, okay, well, how many lines are used in each one of these shapes? Well, this square here, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So the number of lines used is 4. But if we look at the second thing in the sequence, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines used. Or another way to think about it is we started with the first 4 and we just added an extra 1, 2, 3 lines on top. So we now have 7 lines used. Now for the third one, we have the same 7 lines that we used before, but there's another 1, 2, 3 on top of that, which means we have 10 lines used. So what we can say is the pattern is that we start with 4 and then keep adding 3 more each time. So if we wanted to work out, for instance, how many lines are in the 10th shape, well, if our first shape has 4 in it, and every single one after that is going to require us to add 3, to get to the 10th shape, we are moving 9 shapes down the line. Because to get from the first to the 10th, it would be 1 to get to the second, and then 2 to get to the third, and then 3 to get to the fourth. So it would take us 9 jumps until we ended up at the 10th shape. Now, if each jump requires us to add 3, we're going to be adding 3 9 times. So 4 plus 3 times 9 is 4 plus 27, which is going to be 31. Which means, without having to draw the shapes, we can know that there's going to be 31 lines needed to draw the 10th shape in the series, or to draw 10 squares that are connected to each other.